Hi, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. Let me ask you this. Do you know what's holding you back from raising more money for your organization? I know it's not easy right now. There are so many challenges today. But whether you are starting from scratch or taking fundraising to the next level, you may be asking, how do I connect with donors right now? How do I build a donor pipeline? How do I identify donors who will give large amounts to support our operational needs? How do I even know when or how to ask someone for money? And worst of all, heaven forbid, what if someone turns me down? If you're not careful, you can get lost in thought, feeling overwhelmed and discouraged about fundraising. But fundraising does not have to be complicated, especially if you know the steps to take. Here's one of the things I've realized from coaching nonprofit leaders and having helped raise over $16 million for an organization I launched and ran for 10 years. Fundraisers, new and experienced, are stopped in their tracks by one thing. That led me down the path of creating this quiz, so you know the one thing holding you back from reaching your full potential, from knocking fundraising out of the park. In fact, take this quiz right now while it's available and find out your #1 fundraising blocker, how to reach the right people and expand your network of donors, even in this environment, how to consistently raise money for your nonprofit, even if you're new to fundraising, where to focus your energy so you get the best results for you and your organization, and much, much more. In this 60-second quiz, discover your #1 fundraising blocker to find out what's holding you back from bringing in big gifts year after year. All you need to do is click the link here, take the quiz, and uncover your #1 fundraising blocker.